Railway Recruitment Control Board or RRCB. Railway Recruitment Board is a government recruitment agency for Group C and Group D non-gazetted civil service and engineering posts in Indian Railway under Ministry of Railways, Government of India. Railway Recruitment Board is a government recruitment agency. Board is a government recruitment agency for Group C and Group D non-gazetted civil services and engineering posts in Indian Railways under Ministry of Railways, Government of India. It was set up in 1998. It was set up in 1998 in the Ministry of Railways or Railway Board, New Delhi. Objectives: formulation of policy in regarding to recruitment procedures, to monitor the activities of Railway Recruitment Board. Expenditure incurred for recruitment, to evaluate the performance of RRBs and advise them on priorities as required, to organize a management information system for monitoring work done by RRBs. Railway Recruitment Board. Railway Recruitment Boards are organizations under the Government of India that manage the appointment of new employees to work in Indian Railways. There are 21 boards situated in different parts of India. There are 21 boards are called Ahmedabad, Ajmer, Allahabad, Bangalore, Bhopal, Bhubaneswar, Bilaspur, Chandigarh, Chennai, Gorakhpur, Guwahati, Jammu and Kashmir, Kolkata, Malda, Mumbai, Muzaffarpur, Patna, Ranchi, Secunderabad, Siliguri, Thiruvananthapuram. In 1942, a service commission with a chairman and 2 members was established. A recruitment of subordinate staff on the Northern Western Railway was known as Railway Service Commission. In 1945, the Service Commission were set up at Bombay, Calcutta, Madras and Lucknow. In 1948, the Indian Railway Inquiry Committee reviewed working of commissions. In 1949, due to financial constraints, a ban was imposed on recruitments on Indian Railways. Thus, numbers of commissions was reduced to centrally located at Bombay. In 1953 to 54, when economic conditions of Indian Railway improved, 4 service commissions were again set up of Bombay, Madras, Allahabad and Calcutta. In 1956, the Estimates Committee generally approved the method of recruitment by the generally approved the method of recruitment by the Constitution of Railway Service Commission. In 1983, to cater to the needs of areas which were being neglected due to locations of the existing commissions, 7-member commissions were set up. Visit Ahmedabad, Ajmer, Bhopal, Bhubaneswar, Chandigarh, Jammu and Srinagar with sitting up Leh and Trivandrum. In 1984, 2 more service commissions were set up at Malda and Gorakhpur. In January 1985, Railway Service Commissions have been renamed as Railway Recruitment Board. At present, 21 railway recruitment boards are functioning, ALP and technician. RRB conducted computer-based examinations for recruitment of ALP and technician posters. RRB has released centralized notification in 2018 for total 26,502 vacancies. RRB ALP and technical recruitment 2018 will be held in 2 stages followed by aptitude test. And document verification. First stage CBT was scheduled in the month of May and June. The second CBT was held in January 2019 and psychology test was held in 10th of June. The document verification started from July in various zones and still going on. The final empaneling is supposed to be completed in December of 2019. RRB NTPC. RRB conducted non-technical popular categories exam to recreate commercial apprentice, goods guard, traffic apprentice, traffic assistant, assistant station masters, etc. all over India. RRB JE. RRB conducted RRB JE exam to recreate junior engineer, JE, junior engineer, information technology, depot material superintendent, and chemical and metallurgical assistant for India, railway all over India.